you are still doing great and happy following the activity with me. And today we will play with air balloon. Look at this, ta-da! I have 3 air balloons here. Wish you be happy, stay healthy. You can write your own wishes here on the white paper. It's so easy, you can make it from the old calendar. You can find at your house. What date is it today? Okay, let's follow me how to make this pop-up air balloon and prepare the material. Let's check it out. We need astro paper or blue paper or calendar or cardboard if you do not have it at home, origami, marker, scissors and tape, and we also need glue, crayons, white paper. Okay, first we make it balloon. Take 3 colors of origami paper because we will make different color for each side of the balloon. Make sure to fold it too, like this. We create a balloon shape here, a semicircle on the white side. Okay, like this. Look on the screens and then you cut on the line. Be careful when cutting the paper, don't cut your finger. Now we have 3 sides of the air balloons and we attach each other and let the color on top, and we use glue to attach one another and contrasting. We just glue the white one. And attach the another side, yeah, still the white one, so it can be like this, and continue to the other side and left one side open. But you see on the screens, yeah, it is like this. Now we will make it baskets and rope. To connect the air balloon with the baskets, we use the white paper. Cut it like a rectangle like this, and fold both of the rectangle. We can decorate it because I use white paper with crayons or marker, but you can use another paper. You can use the calendar paper or origami paper or whatever, or you can use another recycled materials for its baskets. Here I use marker and crayons to decorate my own basket and make a balloon here on the street. Now we make it roofs. You can use thread, or here I only have a white paper, so I just make it from white paper and stamp it by sticky tape. Okay, I attach the paper roofs to the paper baskets by sticky tape here. Look at this. Make it to left and side, so the balloon to hang the basket to the balloons. It's done. Now we hang on the balloon here. It's better to use sticky tape to attach the paper because it's quite smooth. And now we make it board. I choose the blue one because we pretend it's like a blue sky. And to make it hard, I use 2 layers. At the bottom is calendar paper, and on the first layer, the blue paper or asturo paper, and we fold it into 1, 2, 3 and attach them by glue. Make it the first layer smaller than the second layer. It looks like a catalog, and we can fold it like this and left the anode and let the white one. You can fill it with any word letter like a greeting card. We create we need additional paper to attach the air balloon to the blue paper because we will make it pop up. So we make it foldable like this, so it can be up down, and we stamp it on the middle of the folded paper. On the folded paper like this, so we can open and shut. We use a small pieces rectangle paper. Cut the paper like a rectangle and fold it into 3 parts, and later in the middle is bigger than the 2 sides on the edge, because on the middle we stamp the air balloons, and the other side to stamp on the blue paper. Okay, like this. Ta-da! Next, we stamp the another air balloons, the bigger ones. Yeah, and the smallest one. I have 3 air balloons on my sky. Oh, we have something here. Yeah, it should be some clothes on this paper. Okay, we make it by white paper. First, we draw some clouds, the small clouds by marker on this white paper. Leave a small piece to attach this cloud to the blue paper or beside the air balloon by glue. You just fold a small pieces on the bottom of your clouds and then stamp on the wall on the blue paper. And you can write any wishes on this cloud. They should be happy. You can create more clouds on your sky. Hope this pandemic ends soon. Love you, kiddos. You can create your own greeting card and use them on the white left or on beside these air balloons. Yeah, I intentionally left this part so I can put on this word here. And this is card for you. We should be happy, kiddos. Okay, that's all our pop-up air balloon. You can make it as a greeting card for adoptatory later maybe, because we still do not, we should stay at home and there is no physical distancing and social distancing, and we do not allow to play to go to our neighbor or our in our relative. So you can send this card to share the happiness with them. It's beautiful card, right? So you can write your own wishes or your greeting here. Yes, just sharing your happiness. Okay, stay safe at home and let's play with our air balloon. Thanks for following. Bye.